Checking your transaction history on American Express is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your account and view your transactions. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts tab on the homepage. Click on it to view a summary of your accounts and balances. Step 3. Select your card. From the Account Summary, select the specific American Express card for which you want to check the transaction history. This will take you to the details of that card. Step 4. Access Transaction History. Look for the Transaction History or Recent Transactions option. Click on it to view a list of all your recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and merchant names. Step 5. Filter and download transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use any available filters to specify date ranges or transaction types. You can also find options to download your transaction history as a CSV or PDF file for your records. In conclusion, accessing your transaction history on American Express is easy with just a few clicks. Regularly checking your transactions can help you manage your finances effectively.